never seen nothing like this.
Sugar?
Oh, look at my bird doing nothing.
That bird's trying to show us up. We gotta up our game. Time to improvise.
Harold's dancing was lit.
Aw, thanks, Birdie.
Time for the sleigh! Hey!
Sugar, are you okay?
Uh-huh, but I think I broke Harold's face bone.
I broke Harold's face bone.
That's exactly how Sugar said it, Tommy. Wow, you just made this show good.
Yes, I did.
Okay, kids, sit tight as I get Harold to a doctor. Good news, everyone. Thanks to Harold's broken face bone, our next trip to the hospital is free.
Can I draw on your cast? Oh, you want me to catch you first? Okay. Which amazing trick should I do for my next show?
Give up, you're talentless.
What? Tommy! Bad! Okay, let me go get some snacks for you guys. Tommy did a great job breaking it to Sugar. A hard truth like that is always better coming from a bird.
Talentless! I hate that bird. There, all done. What?
Did Izzy give me a silly face?
No sillier than your real one.
Oh, good.
Yeah, Harold. Maybe when the cast comes off, you'll look completely different and be a good-looking kid.
Ouch.
Chefy, want a latte?
Thanks, Tommy. You are talented. You even put chocolate sprinkles on top. I hope they're sprinkles.
You want to see real talent? Whirl! Whirl, y'all!
Oh, my latte!
Chef, that latte. You should look at...
Tommy, who is your best friend?
Oh, Tommy, you truly are the most talented person in this room.
Can you believe that latte stunt? I'll show him who's the most talented person in the room. Time for me to do some banjoing. I'm gonna make that parrot look like a turkey.
And then, against all odds, the slow turtle won the race. The end.
Whoa, I bet a lot of people lost serious money on that race.
It's like a really bad sound that's loud.
Wait, there's a much better sound. Hey! There, I can hear Tommy's music better now.